In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a Stremio playback error. As we all know, technology can sometimes be unpredictable, and Stremio is no exception. When you're all set to watch your favorite show or a much-anticipated movie, encountering a playback error can be extremely frustrating. Fortunately, we've got some simple solutions to get you back to uninterrupted streaming in no time. First, let's try resolving the issue with a straightforward approach. Open your Stremio app as you normally would, and select the movie or TV show you want to watch. Now, instead of hitting play immediately, navigate back to the stream list. Here you might notice different stream sources available for the same content. Select a different stream from the list and give it a try. This can often resolve playback issues, as the error might be connected to a specific stream source. After selecting a new stream, check to see if the video now plays smoothly. If the playback error persists, let's move on to our second method, which involves restarting the app. Start by closing Stremio completely. Don't just minimize the app, ensure it's entirely closed. Wait for a few seconds to let the app's background processes terminate as well. Then reopen Stremio and try playing your content again. Sometimes, simply restarting the app can solve minor glitches that could be causing playback issues. If neither of these methods work, it's time to address the app's cache, which can sometimes become corrupted or overloaded. Here's what you need to do. Open Stremio and head over to the settings, which you can identify by the gear icon. Once in the settings menu, look for an option labeled caching. This is where Stremio stores temporary files that help in loading your videos more efficiently. You can either reduce the cache size or clear the cache entirely. Opting to clear the cache might be the most effective step here, as it removes all temporary files, giving Stremio a fresh start. After you've adjusted the cache settings, don't forget to restart Stremio to ensure the changes take effect. Once done, attempt to play your movie or TV show again. These steps are usually effective in resolving playback errors and should help you get back to enjoying your content without interruptions. Remember, regular maintenance of clearing the cache and restarting the app occasionally can prevent these issues from arising in the first place. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips prove helpful. If you continue to experience problems, make sure your app is up to date, as updates often contain fixes